Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. I've got a very short video tutorial for you today that'll show you how to make a business logo for free in under 5 minutes. So the software that we'll utilize to do this with today is called Canva, and there's a link in the description for this video which will take you straight to Canva. That'll allow you then to log in and make a free account, and you'll be able to try it all out for absolutely free if you click that link down below. So once you've done watching the video, that is, of course. Luckily for us, Canva is a template-based system, so it's very easy, very quick to do something very professional looking in it, even if you've got zero experience in graphic design. So if you look at the top when you first log in and search for the word logo, that'll then give you access to a huge library of logos. As you can see, there's over 60,000 of them. And then you can either text search, use these categories, or the filters on the left-hand side to narrow it down to suit your business and whatever that's kind of around. So I saw fashion there as an example. So if you click fashion, you'll see then that you just get fashion associated logos. Okay, so even within there, you've still got, almost 10,000 templates. So take some time, browse what's there, and you will find a logo which is very close to what you're looking for, or will inspire a decision or whatever. So once you've found that logo that suits your needs, if you just give it a single left click and then hit customize this template, that little purple button there, that then opens the Canva editor, which will allow you to modify, change the text, add any images, remove things, change the font, to do whatever you want to it. Okay, so as you can see, when you click the background, for example, that little tool appears now where you can select that color and change it into anything that you want. As well, then, when you select text, for example, you can see that the font, the size, and the color picker appears, as well as some justification options. On the left-hand side, then you've got access to the elements library, which is just basically some sort of, basic still images, graphics that you can select and drag in to your image. You can resize them, copy and paste them, move them around, delete them, whatever you need to do. You've also got the ability to add custom text, as well as upload images of your own. So you can see that, the stuff that exists here already, like I said, that little graphic there, you could sort of, duplicate them, change the color, whatever you need to do. Text, if you give it a double click, that allows you then to type in whatever you need to in place of what is already there. Okay, so as you can see, it's very, very quick and easy then to kind of modify an existing template, and it's really easy to kind of, shift things around as opposed to starting from scratch. Okay, so highly recommend using a template as opposed to starting from scratch. Okay, so that's kind of it, really. It's as quick as that. So once you've got a logo and you're happy with what you see here, if you click share in the top right hand corner and then hit download right there, that allows you then to download it as any format that you need. It'll usually be a JPEG or a PNG, and then if you just hit download, that little purple button there, that sticks it on whatever device that you're using. And that's it. That concludes the video tutorial. So like I said, if you want to do that now and give it a go and make your own logo, hit that link in the description down below. If you've enjoyed the video and you want to see more content of that nature, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them as comments down below. Thank you very much.